What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I will be creating this eye look. It's another experimenting with colors. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know that you're liking the content that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this look. Alright, so before I delve into this video, I gotta give my 2 shout outs for the week and from my beauty YouTuber group, and that would be Miss Courtney Girl. Love you. Go check out her channel. And then my girl Down South Danny. Go check her out. She is awesome. Now, let's get into this video. Alright, so I'll be using the Afrique palette today. And so I'm going to go into Dakar right here and use that as my transition. Okay, so now I'm going to go into Bentu right here and deepen my crease. Alright, now I'm going to go back into Dakar and kind of blend all this out. Okay, so now I'm going to go into both of those colors and go on the outer corner. Alright, so now I'm going to go do my glitter primer off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put my glitter primer on, and so now I'm going to go into, sorry, I'm going to go into DP right here and put that on the outer portion of my lid. Alright, so now I'm going to go into, I'm going to go into Togo right there and put that on the inner portion. So now I'm going to go into I'll go into Angelique. Actually, no. Sorry, I'm going all out of order. Take Togo on the under portion of my lid as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take Angelique and put that in my inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to go off camera, put on my liner and mascara and finish this all up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed me creating this little look on my eyes using the Juvia's Place Afrique palette. And hopefully you enjoyed this. Of course, before we go, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell, getting notifications when I post new videos, and comment below how you feel about this look. So, until next time guys, deuces.